143 centimeters in feet? First of all, we need to know the value of 1 centimeter in feet. It's always 1 centimeter equals 0.03280839895 feet. Now we have to multiply 0.03280839895 by 143. Therefore, 143 centimeters times 0.03280839895 feet equals 4.691601049885 feet. So, in other words, 143 centimeters equals 4.691601049885 feet. We hope you have enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.